What's up, y'all? About to get it in, man. Like running. I don't like running, actually, but I do like, getting some cardio in all the time, so I could, do weight gain, health issues, all kind of stuff like that. Keep healthy. So my son, he don't like being cooped up in the house a lot, and I always see people running around. Me and my wife talked about it. We talked about just running around with little man. Actually, I'm gonna go across here. It's a better little view. Park over there. So I'll probably do this. I ain't start running yet, so put some lights so be safe. We're doing it. About to start running downhill and run up the hill. Try to burn some calories, Let's get across the street safe, I'll show you, little man. It's kind of cold out here. It's the wind. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Oh, we gotta put the hat on. Oh my God. How'd you get it off like that? It's cold. There you go. All right. You ready? We going down. We're gonna have some fun. All right. All right, y'all. I'll catch y'all later. Say hi, mama. Hi. Say boop booby boop boop. Boop boop. I'm about to go down the hill and back up the hill. All right, back, y'all. I didn't go down the entire hill because I was thinking about how much I have to go back. I don't think I'm ready for that yet. So if it was a straight little path, I'll be cool. So make sure I stand on this side. So traffic kind of a little man, So, but yeah, about to start running up the hill. Hopefully this becomes a good occurrence because it's the sun, the daylight savings, y'all. The sun is out longer, so now it's dark. I'm scared of dark, but hey, man, it's like I gotta go to sleep, homie. So hey, we'll catch y'all later. All right.